Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to get my hands on the first ever Huda Beauty Advent Calendar. Do you want to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the first ever Huda Beauty Advent Calendar. I believe it's 12 days if I remember correctly. I paid $175 and I think I got free shipping. I hope I got free shipping. I think I got free shipping. So it's $175 and it's supposed to have a value of $330 inside. One of the pictures online does show everything that's going to be inside, and I'm really excited because 2 palettes I don't have. So I'm super excited to be able to grow my Huda Beauty collection with this guy right here. So let's go ahead and look at the packaging. Of course, it has the lips that's screaming Huda Beauty, and it's super, super cute. And it looks like it's going to, yeah, it looks like it's going to slide off. This came in an outer box. I haven't opened up the inside yet. That is the back where it does have their logo on it. And then when we open it up, all right. So there are the numbers, and yes, so we do have a 12-day calendar. So let's go ahead and start with it's like little, looks like a little radio, a little boom box on my shoulder. Let's go ahead and go with door number 1. So it's this little tiny like box. I thought they were gonna be drawers, but nope, you got to open it. So let's see what's inside. So in box number 1, we have Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. And I've never used anything from the skincare line, so I'm really excited to actually have this. And it's an enzyme scrub. So you can use that, and if you like it, you can buy the full size. That's really cool. I'm super glad to be able to try that out. So now let's find number 2 right here. Okay, so now we have is a set of lashes. I do have one set of lashes from Huda Beauty that I kept. I think it came like in a Allure box. I don't use lashes like this, so this one I'll probably pass down to one of you guys because those look absolutely gorgeous, and I'm sure somebody is going to look gorgeous with them on. I just don't do this type of false lashes, but they look very stunning, nice and full, like a night out. These are Huda number 23. So we have a set of lashes. Number 3, right here. It's a big box for this little guy. Okay, so now we have is a lip contour. This looks like it's going to be a lip pencil. It's a super long wear matte lip pencil, and it's in the color of Icon. So that is really neat. I will definitely try this out. Ooh, and that is a really pretty color. It's kind of like a mauve, like a dark mauve-ish color, but that looks really pretty and it matches to that. So there you go. We have a full-size lip pencil. Number 4 is right here. We have a Wishful Thirst Trap Cocoon Mask. So we have a face sheet mask right there, nice and holographic packaging, and it has the Wishful right there. So I can't wait to try that. You guys know I love me some sheet masks. So number 5 is going to be right here. And now we have another Wishful product. It says Get Even Rose Oil. So here is some rose oil. And I bet you, let me see, does it smell like rose? I don't really smell rose. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but it's rose, carrot seed, rose hip, and yeah, so you have like a face serum. So that's really neat. I'm glad to see that there's some skincare in here and not all makeup. So that's really neat. So number 6. Now we have some perfume, and this one says musk on it. That's a really pretty packaging, and that's like a good size. It's not like a teeny tiny sample. Let's see. Oh, that's musky. I'm more into like fruity. I'm not sure. I'll probably just put this in my collection because I love perfume, but I don't know how much of this that I would wear because it's very, very musky. It's called musk, but it's very musky. It's a little too musky for me, but I love the packaging. So there's that. So now number 7 right here. So now I think we're getting into one of the palettes. Yes. Okay. So this one is the nude medium. I have one of the nudes. I think it's the darker one because I don't think I would have grabbed the lightest one, but this is the medium and I do not have this. So I'm really excited to get this. So it has that for the top lid. And then when you open it up, there is a large mirror. And then, ooh, that's so pretty. This is definitely a nice look right here in this palette. And I like that there's lighter, there's a darker, and there's also mattes and shimmers. So that is very, very pretty. I'm so glad to get this in here. And that adds to my collection. Now we're gonna go with 8. This looks like we have a twofer. So we have 2 in this one. So the first item in here is this Life Liner. It says pencil liner pull, liquid liner twist, both in extreme black. So this one is the pencil liner. So it rolls up, it's retractable. I like that because that's the kind that I actually wear. And then this side would be you twist and you have a liquid liner. So when I feel like getting daring, I can try the liquid side, but I'm always comfortable with this side. So I'm glad that they put one in that has a twofer where you get both different types of eyeliner. So I like that. And the packaging is really, really cute. This looks just like my mascara that I have that's double-ended. So that's really cool. So we have that. And then the next thing that was inside that one is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. So this is an eyeshadow. I was thinking it was a lip gloss, but nope. So you have a double-ended, so let's see. And that's what it looks like. And then let me put, ooh, that's nice and that's a pretty color. There's the first one right there. And then let me get this other color. Same end. That is so neat. I'm actually excited. So there's the matte and the metallic. Super pretty, and I like that it's a wearable color because it's not too dark, but those would both be really nice on like my lower lid. And look at the shine from that one. Holy moly, that's nice. I like that. So now let's keep on going. Now we're gonna go with number 9. So number 9 we have is a liquid matte. It would be nice if it was a full-size liquid matte, but at least we have a liquid matte. Let's see what color it is. It says that it's in Bombshell. There's that. I'll put it over by the lip liner. And it's right there. So that's a pretty color for the liquid lip right there. And again, that's Bombshell. So now let's go with number 10. So number 10 is this, that's gorgeous packaging. Is this a lipstick? It says El Cinco de Mayo, and it looks, yep, ooh, and that is a bright red color. Ooh, let's see what color this is. That's kind of like a true red right there. Right about there. So there's that, guys. You have a full lipstick, and that is really cute packaging. And then let's go with number 11. And then we have the last item, which I'm really excited about inside. Okay, and now this one is the vanilla. I have a little tiny, you pop the top, you put your finger on it, a little tiny sample of this one. So now I have it in a spray and it's vanilla. I'm not too fond of this one too, to be quite honest, but at least it's in a spray. Yeah, it just definitely smells like vanilla. That's just not a favorite scent to me, but this one I can definitely do over the muskiness. So you have a vanilla and you have the musk, both in the same size. Then the last item down in number 12 is going to be, dun, dun, dun. There's number 12. Save the best for last. There is the packaging that is gorgeous. And this is the Mercury Renegade palette, you guys. I've never even seen this one. I just know I don't have it. What is that? Oh, it even has a little plastic film over the top of them. So that's without the film. This is a gorgeous packaging. Ooh, so there's a large mirror right on the top and it says Huda Beauty, and there's a plastic covering that one as well, but I'll leave that one on. And then here is the entire palette, you guys. Very, very pretty. And you know, I'm loving these right about here. So that is really cool. So now I have 2 new eyeshadow palettes to add to my collection, which I'm super excited about that. So a little quick recap for our 12 days. You have the 2 palettes, super cool. You have the double-ended, double type of product eyeliner with both. You have I'm saying this is a full-size lipstick. You have a mini liquid lip. You have a double-ended eyeshadow, a pair of lashes, a lip pencil, 2 different things of perfume. You have a face mask, an enzyme scrub, and then you have an Get Even rose oil for your face. This is a really nice box, you guys. The only thing that I will not use is probably this because of the rose situation and this, but everything else I'm definitely going to be using. So I know that's going to be over what I paid because it's $330 value. And if these are the only 2 that I'm not going to use, you know, I still have over $175 that is here. So that is everything that came in the 12 days advent calendar. First ever from Huda Beauty. What do you guys think? What do you think of the products that came inside? What do you think of the cute packaging? Isn't this so Huda when you see the lips? I think it's super, super cute. I will link them down below if you want to check to see if it's still available. I'm not quite sure. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.